Today, we will be learning how to cook a delicious tuna fish dish. Tuna is a versatile and flavorful fish that can be prepared in various ways. So, let's get started with our step-by-step guide on how to cook tuna fish. Before we start cooking, let's take a moment to talk about tuna fish. Tuna is a saltwater fish that is known for its rich flavor and meaty texture. It is packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients. Today, we will be using fresh yellowfin tuna for our recipe. Here are the ingredients you will need for our tuna fish dish: fresh yellowfin tuna steaks, olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon juice, soy sauce, garlic. First, let's prepare the tuna steaks. Pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture. This will help them sear properly. Season both sides of the steaks with salt and pepper according to your taste preference. Heat a skillet or grill pan over medium-high heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. Once the pan is hot, carefully place the tuna steaks into the pan. Sear the steaks for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of the steaks. We want a nice sear on the outside while keeping the center rare to medium rare. While the tuna is searing, let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix well to combine the flavors. Once the tuna steaks are seared to your liking, remove them from the pan and place them on a cutting board. Let them rest for a couple of minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute and ensures a tender and flavorful result. To serve, thinly slice the tuna against the grain. Arrange the slices on a plate and drizzle the sauce we made earlier over the top. For some added freshness, you can garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. And there you have it, a delicious and simple way to cook tuna fish. Remember, tuna is a delicate fish, so be careful not to overcook it. Thank you for joining us today, and happy cooking! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more culinary inspiration. Stay tuned for our next cooking adventure. Until then, happy cooking!